Okay, here for the input, capturing. Capture your digital video from your mini DV camcorder to your computer. Before open the capture panel, I want to talk about your camcorder and your hard disk. For your camcorder, the video is already in digital, so you need a fiber card to transfer the digital video from your camcorder to your computer. So before you start Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to connect your camcorder to your computer through the fiber card and turn your camcorder on VTR mode, VCR mode, or play mode, depending on your camcorder. And about the hard disk in your computer, let's take a look in here. And for the video, I am going to capture in this location. So the hard disk in here, and you have to make sure your hard disk for the file system is NTFS. This is okay. That means you have no limitation about the file size. If you have a FAT32 as the file system, you have the limitation about 2 GB for each file. And if your file system is FAT32, you can format it. You can come to here and select format and select the file system in here and click start to format it. Of course, before you start it, format your hard disk, you have to back up the file on your hard disk. Once you format the hard disk, all the stuff in your hard disk will be removed. So make sure back up your files from this hard disk before you format it. Okay. And also, the free space in your hard disk, make sure that's enough for your video capturing. For the mini DV video, they are about 12 GB for 1 hour of video. And for the space, for your hard disk space, you can click on the disk cleanup and try to clean your hard disk. Select the item that you want to remove it and click OK to clean it up. And also, for your hard disk, you have to deformat it before you capture your video. The deformat, that means reorder your file in your hard disk, and this will improve the writing speed. And for your hard disk, you need a local single hard disk connect to your computer for your capturing. This is for avoid the drop frame during the capturing. Okay. Now I go to Premiere Pro 2.0 open the capture panel from here, or you can press the F5 on your keyboard to open the capture panel. And here this is the capture panel. In the capture panel, they have the stature here. The stature bar show you all the information during capturing. And here the preview for your video. And here is the transport control. You can control your camcorder from here. And here the current time. And this the in-point, the out-point, and the duration from in-point to out-point. And here they have the locking task and setting tasks. You can corrupt it or expand it like this. And here, before you capture your video, you have to go to the settings here. And for the capture setting, click edit to open the project setting, same as you opened it from the project menu here. And here for the capture format, here I'm going to capture the video is a DV capture, DV video. So I select this. If you have a adjacent system, you have the camcorder can support HD SDI capture format, you can select this. Or if you have a HDV camcorder, you can select here. And both the DV and HDV, they use the same fiber card to capture your video. And here for the mini DV, as I'm going to capture, is the DV capture format. And here for the setting here is for the preview. And during preview, so you can enable or disable the preview. During preview and during capturing. During preview, you can enable to preview your video and preview your audio on your computer. Or if you disable it, you will see the video on your LCD screen on your camcorder and hear your audio from your camcorder. And same thing here during capturing, you can preview it on your computer on your desktop speaker, or you can disable it to just see and hear the audio from your camcorder. If your computer is fast enough, you can enable all of this. Or if you have problem, you have drop frame, and you can disable the preview during capturing here to improve the capturing speed. So I will click here to enable all of this and click OK. And here this is the capture location for the video, for the audio here. And as I select same as project, and this is my project, I save my project in my first project in my Driver E in here. This is my project and send as my project. This means I will capture the video and audio in this location. And also this is the setting from the preference here. Scratch this for the capture location, capture video, capture audio. You can select it here, they will change to here. Same thing, you can select from here. If you want, you can select another location. For example, if you want like this, I will organize this all the capture file in here as my movie. So I will make it in this capture in here. And same thing for the audio, I will capture in here also. And here for the path in here, and also show you the available space in your hard disk from this folder, from this location. And here for the device control, if you have select none, so you can press the play button on your camcorder and click the record button to record your video. And if you have a mini DV or HDV, you can enable the device control here. So when you enable here, all the transport control button is enabled, and you can control your camcorder from here. And for the options here, you can select your camcorder from here. For example, the video standard, NTSC as I do it, and my camcorder Canon, device type XL1S, drop frame, online here. Online, this means I have already connect my camcorder to my computer, so it show me online. That's no problem, I can capture the video. And current device Canon XL1S, preload time 2 seconds as T4, that's enough for my camcorder. The title offset, okay, 0, no problem. And also abort capture on drop frame. If you want, you can enable here to abort the capture if they have missing frame during capturing. And okay, go back to here logging. The logging here, you can, for the setup here, you can capture both the audio and video, or if you want, you can just capture the audio or just the video. You can select in here like this, and here I select both of these, and here the log clip to, and here my first project. That means I will capture the video from my camcorder to my computer in the location here, and at the same time well import it into here. If you have a bin like this, so you can select the bin in here, and when you capture your video, they will import it into the bin inside here. So I will just put it in the first row in my plate in here, and I clean this, close it, refresh. Okay, let's check it. Something refresh. How come? Okay, refresh problem. Come back to my capture panel. In here, for the clip data, the table name is the name you write it on your video tape for identify which table you are capturing. For the name in here, I will make it as Botanic Garden Paper 01. And for the clip name, I'll put it as Botanic Garden Paper 1, like this. And for the description, if you want, you can put the description in here, scene, short K, or not no. And here the title here, the start title, end title, that's set in, set out. You can click on here, enter the title here for the set in, then set out in here, and here the duration from in to out, and you can click the lock clip to lock the clip for later on for capturing. So I will show you later on how to batch capture. And here for the capture, they have two buttons here. You can click here to capture it from in point to out point, as you set it in here, the in point and out point here. And the button here tape, when you click it, this will capture your video from the current time, from the current position to the end of your video tape. And here for the scene detect, you can enable or disable here. When you enable here, that means they will separate the video from your video tape. When you shooting your film, you press the record button and record the video, and then you press again to post it or stop it, and you go to another play and press again on the record button to record your video, and press again to stop it. So in this case, you have two scene 1 and scene 2. So if you enable the scene detect in Adobe Premiere Pro, they will automatically separate these two files, and they will put the name as in here 01, 02, 03, 04. And here for the handles, the handle, how many frames in here. This will put an in point and out point on the clip you capture, and how many frames as the in point and out point. After you capture the video, and as before, I put it as 0, no handle frame. And here for the transport control, this is for go to the next scene. Here is go to the previous scene, and here set in point, set out point, go to in point, go to out point, and here lead right, step back, play button, step forward, fast forward, pause button, stop button, record button. Here scene detect as you select in here, and this slower playback forward, and this is slow playback reverse. And here shuttle button, you can drag it. Further you drag, the faster lead right from the left here. And here for the drag wheel, you can drag it left and right to move the clip slowly. And also the current time, and here in point, out point, and this is the duration from in point to out point. Okay.